Hi, after my test of the AOVO Max, here's the video of unpacking and test of the X9 Plus scooter from AOVO. In the box we find a wrench with screws, the manual, and its charger. The assembly is done quickly. There are 6 screws to install to fix the handlebars. We can already notice that this model is premium. It is massive and looks super solid. The design is really racy. Recharge the electric scooter before using it. We have the choice to connect the cable of load directly on the X9 Plus, or also thanks to its removable battery to carry it to work, and to load it directly on its battery. The charging time is about 8 hours due to its great capacity. That gives it an autonomy of 65 kilometers. On its handlebars, we find an LCD screen with a good lighting, to allow to read the information well outside. This screen displays the speed, the driving mode, and the battery level. The X9 Plus incorporates LED lights. This electric scooter has 10-inch wheels, wear-resistant non-slip, with shock absorption. The large front and rear disc brakes give it a very nice look and feel of safety. These brakes are very effective and allow it to brake very quickly. It has a brake handle for the front and another for the rear. The use is simple. There's an ignition button and a function button to change mode and turn on the front and rear lights, as well as the throttle. The deck is raised wide and long enough to put those 2 feet properly. The folding system is well thought out, and probably the best. Allows to fix the handlebars correctly, and avoids damaging the screen like some other models during transport. Because of the quality of the materials and its robustness, the X9 Plus is quite imposing, and a bit heavy. In normal mode, it accelerates gradually and reaches a speed of 15 kilometers per hour. And in sport mode, we find a nice power. It accelerates very strong until 25 kilometers per hour. At the back, we find the 500 watts motor, which can give a maximum output power of 850 watts. Now we will enter the hidden menu and remove the speed limiter of the X9 Plus to give it all that power to reach a better top speed. It's much more dynamic. The normal mode is up to 20 kilometers per hour now, and the sport mode allows it to accelerate much harder to about 37 kilometers per hour. The brakes are still as efficient as ever. After several kilometers with the X9 Plus, I can notice that it looks very solid, and that the quality of manufacture is remarkable. It's really nice to ride, it's a lot of fun, it's easy to handle, sturdy, and one of its best assets is its disc brakes, which give it an excellent braking. And to be honest, after several electric scooter tests, it's by far the best one I could test. You can find the links in the description of this video to have more information on this electric scooter. Don't hesitate to check my other videos, to subscribe to my channel. It's a great help for me. Thanks and see you soon.